Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, then. This is the video part two uh, from video tutorial how to make flat design nature. Okay, this the part one making like the uh, sungai. Okay, I, I make the mountain, tree, sun, bird, or cloud. Okay, let's go to making. Okay. First you can making the mountain with uh pen, and you can make the layer from this mountain. Like you can click Control Shift marker, yeah, and you can change the color. Go to okay, this line AAFI. Right. After this, you can making the salju like with pen, can like that. Yeah. Nah, and you can change the color. Go to white. And after this, you can group and you can click it and you can click OK. Okay. And this I make like the what the name the flat using M again. That can uh go this and click Shift M again and you can click ALT again. And you can change color. Go to like and you can go to properties and you can change the opacity. Go to 14. Okay. And you can group this amount using Ctrl key. Nah, that and you can click Alt. You can duplicate this the mountain like that. Nah, okay. 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 And I want to making the background using L uh, and go to the layer. Uh, yeah, and I change the color. Go to blue. Uh, nah, And after this, you can make the three posts, can making that using M, and you can get drag, okay, you get, and you can change the color using green. Nah, and after this, you can make M again, making the batang pohon. That, then change color, go to brown. That, and you can making the flat using M, and you can change color, go to black, and you can choose M, and you can select this, and you can change the opacity, go to 16, or maybe in like that, and you can group this using control key, and you can drag this, click CTRL, sorry, ALT, you can duplicate this tree like that. And after this, you can make three again using like that. Uh, and you can uh, take this and uh, and you can making the font uh, bayangan. Don't know in how to say in English bayangan. Can propose and you can click Shift M and click Alt. Yes, and you click that, and you can change the opacity. Go to 13. Yeah, yeah, okay. After this, you can group, and you can circle, and you can smart this tree. uh, Okay. And after this, you can make the sun using L, click Shift, yeah, and you can change color. Go to um, yellow, uh, and you can make like bayangan again using this. Uh, and using Shift M again, like that. After this, I want to make the cloud like that using M like that, and then you can click this and use that like that, and you can change the color, go to white. Like that. You can group this uh, cloud like that. And after this, you can duplicate cloud. Yeah, right. And this finish from making. Oh, I forgot one again, like making the texture. Yeah, okay. Using ham, just like that. You can drag this, that, and you can click E and can change color, go to white. Like that. Let's see. Click ALT, click ALT again. Yeah, see. This finish from making flat design starter. Okay, and you can don't forget to save your project. Go to file, export, export for screen, and you can choice maybe dua kali, and you can choose the what the name, the location you can save your file. Yet, and you can click export. Nah, okay. And it's your project. And because the background I not use, or you can use the background, you can click M like that. Okay, this you can change the color, go to white, and go to layers, and you can change the location from the white rectangle, go to, so yeah, yeah. Maybe that's all for me. Sorry for my mistake. And this last part from video tutorial flat design. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for listening, and guys, see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.